Good morning, everybody. Hello, this is Ilyas Hariri. We have Unit 6, Palestinian Success Stories. And today we have continue the grammar of the Unit 6, period number 8 and 9, page 71 and 72. So let's start. We have today past simple passive. With the past simple passive, past simple, as you know, consists the rule of the past simple is subject verb 2 plus object. Now we have this sentence: Ali played tennis in the school every day. This sentence is active. What's the meaning of active? It means we know who did the action, Ali. So we start with Ali. Ali plays tennis in the school yesterday. This sentence past. How do you know it's past? Because we have yesterday. So we put the verb in the past. Now when we change the sentence to passive voice, we underline the verb, we put the object which comes after the verb, we put it at the beginning, tennis, and here we choose this sentence, take be and verb 3. Verb be is was and were. So tennis, take was or were, take was. So we can say tennis was played. Played why? It is verb 3 after was and were. Tennis was played in the school yesterday by Ali. Why by Ali at the end? Because we know who did the action. So we put it as agent at the end of the sentence. Another example, my dad wrote 3 letters last night. So at the beginning, underline the verb. Where is the verb? Wrote. Okay, the verb is wrote. So wrote what? Wrote 3 letters. So we put the 3 letters at the beginning of the sentence. We say 3 letters were written last night by my dad. Good. Now let's come to our lesson, page 71. Read the examples. Number 1, people built the cities with stones. Where this sentence active or passive? The sentence is active because here we don't have be and verb 3. Number 2, the cities were built by people with stone. This sentence is passive voice. How do you know? Because we have be and we have the verb in the past, verb 3. Also we can say by agent if we have it, although we cross it. Number 3, our ancestors cut this stone. This sentence is active. How do you know? We don't have be and verb 3. And number 4, this stone was cut by our ancestors. Here we have be and we have verb 3 after it. Now look at the examples again. Take the best way to complete the statements. Sentences number 1 to 4 are in the present simple or past simple. They all in the past simple. Number 2, sentences 1 and 3 are in the active or passive. Number 1 and 3 are in the active voice, active. Number 3, sentences 2 and 4 are in the active or passive. Number 2 and 4 are passive voice. And number 4, the subject of 3 gives useful information. Will no useful information? Yeah, it gives us useful information. Why? Because we know who did the action. We know who did the action and what happened. So it's useful information. Now number 5, we keep or we do not keep the information, this information in 4 as by agent. Yes, we keep it. Number 6, the subject of 1 gives useful information or no useful information. Yes, useful information, because also we know who did the action, people did that. Number 7, we keep or we do not keep this information in 2 as by agent. Look here, they cross out by a people because we don't know exactly who, so we do not keep it. Now let's come to exercise number 2. Walking pairs changes the sentences into the past simple passive, but do not use by agent. Okay, number one is already done. In ancient times, people needed stone to build towns. Be careful, everybody, when we have like this in ancient times, yesterday, all we put it in the beginning, don't touch it. So start from here. People needed stone to build towns. Stone was needed to build towns. Number 2, they found good building stone in many parts of Palestine. Where is the verb? Yes, found. So underline the verb. Here in this exercise, they underline the object, not the verb. But in general, please everybody underline the verb, and what we have after the verb, the object, put it at the beginning. Okay, so good building stone, just one, was found in many parts of Palestine. Good building stone was found in many parts of Palestine. Number 3, workers started quarries to get the stone. Where is the verb? Started what? Quarries were started to get the stone. Number 4, they cut the stone from the ground. Cut is the verb, the stone is the object. The stone was cut from the ground. Number 5, other workers took the stone to their local towns. Where is the verb? Took. The stone is the object. The stone was taken to their local towns. They sold the stone to the people there. The stone was sold. These people cut the stone to the right shapes. Cut is the verb. The stone is the object. The stone was cut to the right shapes. And number 8, they used the stone to build houses and many other things. Yes, used is the verb. The stone is the object. The stone was used to build the houses and many other things. Now let's exercise number 4 in this page 71 is homework for you. And everybody look here at the exercise. Working pairs, change the sentences into passive and use the agent. Okay? So this exercise is a homework for you. I will read it for you quickly. Now number 2. Finally, last year the local community built it. Finally, last year, keep it, don't change it. Okay? Number 3. 2 years ago, keep it, don't change it. A group of parents bought some land. Some land were bought. Number 4. Say the same group invited a very good architect. A very good architect was invited. So this exercise is homework for you, everybody. Okay? Now let's come to the next exercise, next page 72. Working pairs, change the sentences into past and present simple passive. And here also, do not use the agent. So the first part in the past and the second part now. The first part in the past, number 1 is already done for you, don't care. Some people planned the book 5 years ago. Where is the verb? Planned. Planned what? The book. So put the book at the beginning. The book was planned 5 years ago. 2. These people wrote it the year after that. Where is the verb? Wrote. Wrote what? Wrote it. So it is the object. We put it at the beginning. It was written the year after that. Number 3. 3 years ago, they put together everything on computer. Where is the verb? Put. Okay. Put everything on computer. So everything on computer was put. Okay, but here I want you to keep 3 years ago as it is. So we will say 3 years ago everything on computer were put together. Number 4, soon after that it becomes the same. Soon after that they finish the computer, the complete book. Where is the verb? Finish. Finish what? The complete book. The complete book was finished. So it becomes soon after that the complete book was finished. Now we come to the second part. Now each year the Palestinian decide book numbers for the next year. This is already finished. Number 6, they make any important changes to the box. Where is the verb? Make. Make what? Any important changes. So it becomes any important changes are made. Any important changes are made to the box. Number 7, they produce enough copies for all the pupils in Palestine. Where is the verb? Produce. Produce what? Enough copies. Enough copies are produced for all the pupils in Palestine. Number 8, they send the box to every school in Palestine, in the country. Where is the verb? Send. Send what? The box. So the box is the object. Put it at the beginning. The box are sent to every school in Palestine or in the country. But put at the end, at the beginning, then the box are sent to every school in the country. So at this point, everybody, we reach to the end of our lesson. Have a nice day and see you